So in this question, it says that the probability that it will rain is 5/8. The probability that he will walk is 1/6. And the probability that it does not rain and he walks to school is 7/10. Now that we have all this information, we can put it onto the diagram. So this is 5/8. This is 1/6. And this is 7/10. So now we can complete the rest of the blanks. So this would be 3/8 because 1 minus 5/8 equals to 3/8. This would be 5/6 and this would be 3/10. So for the next question, they're asking us, calculate the probability that it will rain tomorrow and Raphael walks to school. So now we're going to focus on when it rains and he walks. So we know from the previous question that the probability that it will rain is 5/8. So we multiply that by the probability that he will walk, which is 1/6. That would give us 5/48. So our answer is 5/48. Calculate the probability that Raphael does not walk to school. So as you can see, there are two probabilities. There are two outcomes where he does not walk to school. So let's find the probability that he does not walk to school when it's raining. So that is 5/8 times 5/6. And we're going to multiply that by the probability that he won't walk when it's not raining. So the probability that it does not rain is 3/8 times with the probability that he won't walk, which is 3/10. So now we're going to multiply that. So that'll give me 25/48 plus with 9/80. So that would give me a value of, let me just put that into my calculator. Okay, so that gave me a value of 19/30. So our final answer is 19/30.